Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make these sweet and spicy hot wings. The first thing I'm going to do is turn my deep fryer on. I'm going to turn this on the chicken setting, and that is 360 degrees Fahrenheit. A good tip when heating up your fryer, you always want to lower the basket in the oil so it could heat up together. That way the chicken won't stick to the basket. While that's heating up, I'm going to work on the wings. So you're going to need a zipper bag, and you're going to need some white all-purpose flour to coat the wings. I'm just going to put the flour in the bag and set it aside. I'm going to season the wings with some seasoned salt, and this is the one I like to use. So when I cut my wings, I like to cut them in 3 pieces. My husband doesn't care for the tip part of the wing, but I do. That's my favorite part. I wouldn't be a true Belizean if I never like all them bones. So I'm just going to put my seasoned salt over it and then just give that a good mix. And by the way, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below. Now I'm just going to put them in the bag with the flour, and I'm just going to give them a good shake so they could get evenly coated with the flour. I love using a bag when I do this because I feel like the flour gets to coat every part of the wing nicely, and plus it's just easy cleanup. You can just throw the bag away when you're finished. Now my fryer is ready, and all I have to do now is put them in there to fry. Before you do that, just make sure you shake off the excess flour. I'm going to set the timer, and I'm going to let these fry for 10 minutes. If you're thinking about getting a fryer and you're not sure, well, let me tell you, it's worth getting one. It makes it so easy, your food fries evenly, and you don't have to clean the stove because who likes to clean the stove after you fry something, right? So while that's frying, I'm going to work on the sauce. So the first thing you're going to need is some barbecue sauce. And this is the one I like to use. This is the one I grew up on. You're going to need some ketchup. You're going to need some butter, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, and you can put as much or as little as you want. It depends on how spicy you like it. Some onion powder, and garlic powder. Now I'm going to take this over to the stove, and I'm going to let this simmer on low heat just until everything is nice and heated through. It's like perfect timing. As soon as I was finished with that, then the timer went off. So I'm just going to drain this on some paper towels. Look how beautiful this is. I could eat this just like that. All I have to do now is just toss the wings in the sauce. So for this recipe, I'm only making 4 whole wings total. And as you can see, there's still a lot of sauce in the pot if you want to make more wings. But sometimes I like my wings really saucy and sometimes I don't. It depends on what I'm eating it with. So it's up to you and how you like it. If you like this video and you like hot wings, please give it a thumbs up. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.